Tired of limited infotainment features in your car? Standard CarPlay and Android Auto often don't support apps like YouTube, Netflix, or advanced multitasking. That's where Android CarPlay AI boxes make a huge difference. They transform your factory display into a powerful Android system with wireless connectivity, streaming apps, navigation, and much more. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best Android CarPlay AI boxes of 2026. We researched the web and real user reviews to create this list. All product links are in the description for updated prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Number 5. ANYFAR CarPlay AI Box. The ANYFAR CarPlay AI Box is a versatile Android 13 device that upgrades your factory infotainment system into a full-featured smart display. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto while giving you access to YouTube, Netflix, Google Play, and many Android apps. Compatible with popular brands like Toyota, Mazda, Hyundai, Ford, Kia, Volkswagen, GMC, MG, and Haval, it delivers smooth performance with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. It's an excellent option for drivers who want entertainment and navigation without replacing the original head unit. Number 4. CarlinKit CarPlay AI Box. The 2025 CarlinKit CarPlay AI Box combines Android 13 with the powerful Qualcomm QCM6125 processor for smooth everyday performance. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto while offering built-in GPS, dual-band 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and storage options up to 128 GB. With FOTA online firmware upgrades, the system stays updated with the latest improvements. Whether you're streaming videos, using navigation apps, or multitasking on the road, this AI box provides a fast and reliable smart driving experience. Number 3. AutoCast P3 Android AI Box. The AutoCast P3 Android AI Box transforms your vehicle into a complete Android entertainment center with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto support. It lets you stream YouTube, Netflix, and other popular apps directly from your dashboard, while the HDMI output allows easy connection to external displays. Built for fast performance and simple plug-and-play installation, it offers smooth multitasking, responsive controls, and reliable wireless connectivity. It's a great choice for road trips, daily commuting, and family entertainment. Number 2. MMB Max 5.0 Smart Box. The MMB Max 5.0 Smart Box delivers premium performance with Android 13, an 8-core Qualcomm QCM6225 processor, and a generous 8 GB RAM with 128 GB storage. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto while offering split-screen multitasking, expandable TF card storage up to 256 GB, dual-band Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth connectivity. Whether you're navigating, streaming movies, or running multiple apps simultaneously, this AI box provides fast performance and a smooth user experience for modern connected vehicles. Number 1. LEXXSON CarPlay AI Box. The LEXXSON CarPlay AI Box stands out as the best overall choice thanks to its powerful Android 13 platform, Qualcomm QCM6115 processor, 8 GB RAM, and 128 GB storage. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto while providing built-in GPS, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, YouTube, Google Play Store, and countless Android apps. Smooth performance, reliable streaming, and quick app launches make it perfect for navigation, entertainment, and productivity. If you want the ultimate smart upgrade for your factory infotainment system, this is an outstanding choice. Android CarPlay AI boxes bring streaming, navigation, and smart Android features to your factory infotainment system without replacing it. These 5 models offer excellent performance, wireless convenience, and great value. Which one is your favorite? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.